The new Renault 5 and Alpine A290 have already attracted plenty of attention, but Milltek Design has taken both electric hatchbacks in a completely different direction. At this year's Goodwood Festival of Speed, the company introduced a striking Group B-inspired wide-body kit that gives these compact cars the aggressive appearance of a modern rally machine. The design takes inspiration from the legendary Renault 5 Maxi that dominated rally stages during the 1980s, including its famous overall victory at the 1985 Monte Carlo Rally. Instead of simply adding larger fenders, Milltek Design created a complete package that dramatically changes the stance and proportions while still looking like something that could have come directly from the factory. One of the biggest advantages of the new package is that it fits both the Renault 5 and the performance-focused Alpine A290. Even though the two models have different body dimensions, the kit has been engineered specifically for each vehicle, allowing owners to enjoy the same bold rally-inspired appearance without compromising factory fit and finish. The package includes new front and rear wheel arches, revised front bumper arch sections, a front charge flap surround, rear door arch covers, a high-level rear spoiler, aluminum side skirt trim, and an upgraded daytime running light package for the Alpine A290. Buyers who only want certain styling upgrades can also purchase several of the components individually. Milltek Design also focused on making installation as simple as possible. Most of the components use original equipment, mounting locations, and factory fasteners, while additional body panels are attached using removable bonding methods. This allows the entire kit to be removed later without making permanent changes to the vehicle. The prototype made its public debut during the Goodwood Festival of Speed, where visitors were able to see the dramatic transformation in person. Production is expected to begin in autumn 2026, with the first limited production run already available for customers to reserve. For enthusiasts looking to give their Renault 5 or Alpine A290 a unique appearance inspired by one of rally racing's greatest icons, this package delivers exactly that. With a starting price of £2,000 plus value-added tax for the basic kit, Milltek Design has created one of the most exciting aftermarket upgrades yet for Renault's new generation of electric performance cars.